Okay, so now we want to disassemble the cam chain. This right here, this is the tensioner, and this is a guide. It doesn't move, all it does is guide the chain, okay? And right now the engine is in time with this. Toyota marks their chain, so think about it. There's engines coming by and you're assembling these, and you have to do like maybe 500 a day, and your job is to put this cam chain on and get it in time. They want to make it as accurate and as easy for you as possible, so they mark the links right where they go. Okay, so on some vehicles I've seen them where you have to count the links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 links, and this is what they'll tell you. Aligning with the timing mark here. Here. The timing mark is here, but they bring it up to here. The timing mark is there. And there's a dot down here. Now, Toyota goes even farther. I don't know if you want to bring the camera back here. Sure. Toyota.
1 second.
Yeah. Toyota is amazing, because what they do is, I guess they don't know where this engine may end up on this planet, and you may have repair manuals or you may not, but they also give you a timing mark here that aligns here. So they do everything possible to make it a no-brainer. I'm impressed with that. So this engine, if you were like say in a third world country and you had no manual for it, just by paying attention to detail, you would be able to disassemble it and assemble it correctly. So I'm going to go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to remove is the tensioner. This is a mechanical tensioner. It's not a hydraulically operated tensioner. We're going to see how it operates. I think I can even make it collapse. Yeah, I can make it collapse by holding this in place right here. And you can see how it operates. So I'm going to show you how Toyota set this up on a ratchet. So as it goes out, it won't go in. As it goes out one more time, it won't go in. As it goes out one more time, it won't go in. And it continues on until it reaches that spot, and now the chain is tensioned. It has plenty of travel. By the time it reaches the end of its travel, the chain is wore out, which is going to be a few years down the road.
There's spring pressure in there, right?
There's the spring pressure in there, and we're gonna see it right now. I'm going to let go of it.
That's what pushes it out. Yeah.
So it's an automatic tensioner,
Nice.
which would be great. Like some of you probably had your bicycles. You've had your chain get loose, and this has an automatic tensioner. So really neat setup that Toyota has.